Ever felt too exhausted to cook after a long day? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to eat healthy without spending hours in the kitchen? In a perfect world, we'd all cook from scratch every day. But reality is different. Work, training, and even social media leave us with little time and energy. Convenience foods can be a lifesaver, but they often come with a trade-off: nutrition and flavor. Think frozen fish sticks and Hungry Man dinners. Not all convenience foods are bad. Some are nutritious, tasty, and can help you build muscle with minimal effort. Rotisserie chicken is a prime example. It feels like a home-cooked meal without the hassle. Perfect for those lazy days. This versatile protein can be used in sandwiches, salads, tacos, soups, and more. Just discard the skin to reduce sodium and fat. Bagged coleslaw mix is another gem. It helps you hit your daily veggie goal without the chopping. Just watch out for the dressing. Use coleslaw mix in burgers, sandwiches, grain bowls, scrambled eggs, tacos, and stir-fries. It's a quick way to add crunch and nutrition. Hard-boiled eggs are a protein-packed snack that's ready to go. No peeling, no overcooking, just pure muscle-building goodness. Add them to salads, toast, or even make deviled eggs. They're a versatile and convenient source of protein and vitamin B12. Frozen whole grain waffles are a quick breakfast option. Just make sure to choose brands made with 100% whole grains. Top them with fresh berries and Greek yogurt for a healthy meal. Or get creative and use them as a base for savory dishes. Canned bean chili is comfort food at its best. It's packed with fiber and plant-based protein, making it a nutritious option. Heat it up and enjoy it as is, or use it as a filling for enchiladas, tacos, or burritos. You can even add it to grilled meats for extra protein. Rotisserie chicken offers about 20 grams of high-quality protein per 3-ounce serving. It's a muscle-building powerhouse. Bagged coleslaw mix can reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer, and premature death. It's a small change with big benefits. Hard-boiled eggs are a reliable source of vitamin B12, essential for brain health and red blood cell production. Frozen whole grain waffles can help you maintain a healthy waistline and reduce the risk of heart disease. Canned bean chili is rich in fiber, which can prevent heart disease and even save lives. It's a small can with big benefits. So next time you're too tired to cook, remember these healthy convenience foods. They save time without sacrificing nutrition. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. With the right choices, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals with minimal effort. Eat smart, live better.